Lois. Hey, Lo. Do you want some snooshies? Do you want some of that snooshies? But it has that hot sauce. It's gonna... I don't know about that. That hot sauce. It's too hot for a kitties. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh no, thank you. Oh my goodness. What am I going to do? There's delicious fish underneath that hot sauce. I don't know what to do. Hey. Oh my goodness. It's just too much. Lois, look at the delicious fishes. Delicious fishes. You gotta get past that sauce, girl. You gotta get past that sauce. Oh, it's too much. It's just too much. Oh.